Hello friends, I welcome you to my YouTube channel MakePM. So in today's video, we will solve some basic numerical problems based on the projectile motion. So in previous two videos, we have derived a formula for range, maximum height, and time of flight, and the equation of the projectile motion. So you can watch the previous videos for those derivations. So in today's video, we will just solve these three questions. So let's start. I will solve this later. First, let's solve the first problem. Calculate the velocity with which an object is shot at angle of 60. Calculate the velocity with which an object is shot at an angle of 60 degree from the ground and it reaches its maximum height in 20 seconds. Take g is equal to 10 meter second square. So suppose this is the projectile motion. So this is velocity v, initial velocity v. This is angle theta from horizontal, and this is distance r, which is called range, up to which this particle will travel. This is maximum height h, and total time of flight from point A to point B, time taken to fly from here to here, point A to B, is t. So in previous videos we have derived all the formulas, so we will write them. T is equal to 2v naught sin theta upon g. This is total time of flight. Then maximum height h is equal to v naught square sin square theta divided by 2g. Then maximum range r is v naught square sin 2 theta upon g. So these three formula we will use in all the problems. So here what is given: calculate the velocity with which an object is shot at an angle 60 degrees. So see, theta is 60 degree from the ground and it reaches its maximum height in 20 seconds. So maximum height, time to reach maximum height is 20 seconds. G is given, acceleration due to gravity is given 10 meter per second square. So see here, time of flight is not given. Time to reach from, this is point A, B, this is point C. So the time to reach from point A to C is given. Maximum height is at point C. So this time is given from A to C, and same amount of time will be taken by this particle to come from C to B. So total time given is t is equal to t by 2. Half time is given only. So half time is 20 seconds. So total time of flight will be 40 seconds. Okay. So we will put this value in this formula. So t is equal to 40 seconds. We will keep 2v naught, 2 v naught, we have to find sin theta is 60 degree divided by 10. So this 2, it will be 5. V naught sin 60 is root 3 by 2 is equal to, V naught is equal to 40 into 5 is equal to 200. So V naught is 200 into 2 by root 3, which is equal to 400 by root 3. So if you will calculate this from the calculator, then you will get 400 divided by root 3 is equal to 230.95 meter per second. This is the velocity of this particle. If you don't remember this formula, then you can also solve like this. What will be the vertical component of this velocity? Vertical component will be v sin theta, okay, or v sin 60, and you know that v is equal to u plus at. Here v is final velocity, u is initial velocity, a is acceleration due to gravity. Here t is time. So the particle is reaching from point A to point C. Here V is, this component will be V sin theta, and horizontal component of velocity will be V cos theta. So for vertical component only we are calculating. Final velocity at point C will be 0 because here only your horizontal component of velocity will be present. At maximum height, vertical component of velocity will become 0 always, is equal to U. U is V sin theta minus A is minus because gravity is in downward direction, while upward direction we are taking as plus, minus GT. So here T is equal to V sin theta upon G. You can see that T is equal to V sin theta upon G. We have already taken this value. T is equal to V sin theta upon G. Here 2V naught sin theta upon G. So we had divided it by 2, T by 2. So it is V naught sin theta by G. So if you will calculate this, you will get same value. Now let's look at the second problem. A kicked football leaves the ground at angle of 45 degree. So this angle is 45 degree with horizontal. This angle is with horizontal. Okay. Initial speed of 25 meter per second. So V is 25 meter per second. Determine the distance of X. Acceleration due to gravity is 10 meter per second square. So we have to find X distance, means maximum range. So we can see that formula we have already written for range. R is equal to V naught square sin 2 theta upon G. So we can put all the values here. R is equal to V naught is given 25 to the square sin 90. 45 into 2 is 90 divided by 10 is equal to 25 is square is 625 into sin 90 is 1 divided by 10. So it will be 62.5 meter. So this will be the distance at which this football will fall. So I hope you understand this question. Now let's move to the next question. An object of mass 200 grams. So it is given in grams. So M we can take 2 kg. Covers a maximum vertical distance of 6 meter when it is projected an angle of 45 degree from ground. Again similar, this is 45 degree and this is a projectile motion. This is height h, maximum vertical distance is h, which is 6 meters. So h is given as 6 meter. Calculate the velocity with which it was thrown. G is given as 10 meter per second square. So again you can write the formula of h. Maximum height formula is V naught square sin square theta upon 2G. H is equal to V naught square sin square theta upon 2G. We can write the values here. V naught is given as, V naught we have to find. So V naught square into sin square theta. Theta is given as 45 degree. Sin square 45 divided by 2 into G is 10. So H is 6. 6 is equal to V naught square into sin 45 is 1 by root 2. Sin square 45 is 1 by 2 divided by 20. So we will get 120 is equal to V naught square by 2. So V naught is root 240. So we will get root 240 is equal to 15.5 meter per second. So this is the velocity with which the ball was thrown. So I hope you understand these three problems. If you have any doubt, then you can ask in the comment section. And if you like our video, then please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.